Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful and easy kids bag. So friends, for this project, I am using a 3-ply cotton yarn and a 4mm steel crochet hook. To begin, first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making slip knot, make your base chain. You can take any odd number base chain. I'm going to make 29 base chain. So complete your base chain according to your desired length. So friends, I have completed 29 base chain. After completing the base chain, make chain 3 to begin your first row. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn going to the 4th chain from the hook. Pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. This is our second double crochet stitch after chain 3. Now wrap the yarn again going to the same chain, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then second 2 loops. So we have made 3 double crochet stitches including chain 3. Now go into the second chain and make a double crochet stitch. Go into the third chain and make a double crochet stitch. Go into the 4th chain and make a double crochet stitch. Now make 1 double crochet stitch into every chain by repeating the same double crochet stitch pattern till the second last chain. So friends, I have completed. Now go into this last chain here and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and double crochet 6. After completing 6 double crochet stitches, go into the second side and make double crochet 1. Go into the next chain space and make double crochet 2. Go into the next and make double crochet 3. Take the starting yarn tail between the stitches and make double crochet 4, double crochet 5. Repeat the same sequence. Double crochet 5. Repeat the same sequence till second last chain. So friends, I have completed. Now go into this last chain here and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. So go into the top of chain 3 and make a slip stitch to finish this row. So this is our base for the bag. Now we will simply make double crochet stitch rows. So for the second row, make chain 3, wrap the yarn, go into the second double crochet stitch, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops and then 2 loops. Now go into the third stitch and make double crochet stitch. Go into the next and make double crochet stitch. So we are going to make 1 double crochet stitch into every stitch. So simply repeat the same pattern and make 1 double crochet stitch into every stitch till the end of the row. So after completing the second row, go into the top of chain 3 again and make a slip stitch to finish your second row. After finishing the second row, for the third row, make chain 3, which is our first double crochet stitch. Go into the second double crochet stitch and make double crochet 2. Go into the third and make double crochet 3. Go into the next and make double crochet 4. Go into the next and make double crochet 5. So repeat the same pattern as we have done for the second row. Repeat the same pattern and complete your third double crochet row, and then make a slip stitch to the top of chain 3 and repeat this second row again and again till the required length. So friends, I have completed my length. Now we will make a simple bubble stitch row here with another color yarn. So make a slip stitch here with the other color yarn. After making a slip stitch, make knots to secure your work so that your stitches may not lose. After making 2 knots, cut the first yarn and start working with the second color yarn. So make chain 1, go into the same chain 3, pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through 2. After making a single crochet stitch, wrap the yarn, go into the second double crochet stitch after chain 3, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops only like this. Again wrap the yarn, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn and pull through first 2 loops only. Again wrap the yarn, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn and pull through first 2 loops only. Again go into the same stitch and pull through first 2 loops only. Now again wrap the yarn and pull through first 2 loops only. So we have 6 loops upon our hooks. We have made 5 unfinished double crochet stitch. Now pull through all 6 loops to finish it. This is our bubble stitch. Now go into this third double crochet stitch here and pull the yarn and take this bubble to above side with the help of finger and make a single crochet stitch into the third double crochet stitch. Now go into the fourth double crochet stitch by wrapping the yarn, pull the yarn through first 2 loops. This is our unfinished double crochet 1, this is our unfinished double crochet 2, unfinished double crochet 3, unfinished double crochet 4 and unfinished double crochet 5. After making 5 unfinished double crochet stitches, pull through all 6 loops, go into the next double crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch. Now go into the next stitch for the bubble again and make 5 unfinished double crochet stitches This is second, third, fourth and fifth. After making 5 unfinished double crochet stitches, pull the yarn through all 6 loops to finish them, to make a bubble, and lift the bubble with the help of finger and make a single crochet stitch into the next double crochet stitch. Now go into the next double crochet stitch and repeat the same pattern of 5 unfinished double crochet stitches, and then finish them, and then make a single crochet stitch into the next double crochet stitch. So repeat the bubble and single crochet stitch again and again to finish this row. So friends, I have completed my bubble stitch row. Now go into this first single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch to finish your row. Now make chain 1, wrap the yarn, go into this same single crochet stitch, pull the yarn through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch, again wrap the yarn, pull the yarn, pull through all 3 loops. This is our second half double crochet stitch. Now go into the next stitch, pull the yarn, pull through all 3 loops. This is our half double crochet 3. Go into the next stitch and make half double crochet stitch 4. Go into the next stitch and make half double crochet stitch 5. Go into the next stitch and make half double crochet stitch 6. Half double crochet stitch 6. So go into every bubble stitch and every single crochet stitch and make 1 half double crochet stitch into every stitch and complete this row by repeating the same sequence. After completing 1 half double crochet stitch row, I am going to make another half double crochet stitch row. So make chain 1, go into the first half double crochet stitch, go into the first half double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops. This is our half double crochet stitch 1. Go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 2. Go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 3. Go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 4. Go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 5. Repeat the same pattern till the end of the row. So after completing 2 half double crochet stitch rows, now I am going to make a single crochet row. So make chain 1, go into the first stitch, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops. This is our first single crochet stitch. Go into the second stitch, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops. This is our second single crochet stitch. Go into the third, repeat the same pattern and make single crochet 3. Go into the next and make single crochet 4. Now repeat the same pattern. Now pull the extra yarn and cut it off. After cutting the extra yarn, weave this yarn with the help of tapestry needle to secure your work. First of all, make a knot. To secure your work so that your stitches may not lose. So always make a knot to secure your work. After making a knot, go into some backside stitches and weave the extra yarn end. Now cut the extra yarn. Now we will add simple strap. For the strap, take 2 strands of yarn and go into one side of the bag and pull this loop through this stitch and make simple chain. You can make as much chains as you want according to your desired length. So simply make your chain and make a slip stitch to second side and weave the extra yarn with the help of tapestry needle. So friends, here is the final look. After finishing the bag, I have added a bead tassel. Also, if you like this tutorial, please give it a try for your baby girl. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.